He's gone and it's just that empty space that's not coming back.
But he would never have dreamed of hurting anyone. No longer having him there in a split second.
I get home from school and there's no one there, and we're sat at dinner and there's no one there to make me laugh. There's just an empty space.
He was just brilliant. He was amazing at maths. My mum always used to say I was a genius, and he'd end up being some form of doctor or, you know, scientist, and he was just a brilliant guy. I think it made me realise just how quickly people can change, and you think that you know someone and then, you know, within the space of a few months everything just changes.
There was always someone when I got home from school who asked me how my day was and asked me how I felt. He was always there, and now it just feels like there's no one to protect me and no one to be there when I feel like everything's gone wrong, but it's like there's no one there to say that it's all going to be fine when I think it's genuinely not. He was a good person, but he did bad things that made him seem like a bad person.
A normal functioning person wouldn't feel the need to take someone else's life, or even attempt to, but that's what it came to, and you know, it's changed how I perceive pretty much everything, from the people around me to, you know, the things that I'm taught in life, and it's really just completely changed my perspective of the world.
And it hurts, but it's always something that kind of, it's like he's not there anymore, but he is in spirit, because he was always there to make me laugh, but now he's gone, and it's just that empty space that's not coming back.
I mean, it was hard enough being the sister of the person that did it, and he didn't even get injured. You know, he left the whole thing with his life. But the same can't be said for, you know, the poor lad that was the victim of it all.